awesome.
Ta-da yourself.
Well, come and look at them, Dad.
I told him he should come out and look at him. He said, why do I need to do that? I said, because you have a great eye. He said, I do not. I said, oh, but you do.
Babies. Oh.
John's going to fix that lemon shrimp.
Nobody invited me over. Why are you talking about it? You made me hungry.
Oh, because Dad asked me just before I walked out the door.
Babies. Baby puppies.
How's that pork look today?
He's good.
Hi, Pops.
Okay, listen. What is that noise out there? Someone's being very noisy.
They're quiet puppies. They hardly make a sound.
Hi.
Puppy, puppy. Oops, too late.